When I went into TechCrunch Disrupt 2024, the first sign I saw was stop hiring humans. Stop hiring humans. Who is going to adopt AI with that message? A lot of the people saying AI first really don't have a high opinion of human beings. And I'm not talking about their visions, I'm talking about yours. How it can work for you, how you can afford it. Even as a major business, those CTOs are not going to be making decisions based on what they've seen. We need tools that don't do everything for everybody, but that do focus specific tasks. We don't need to put guardrails. We need to limit the overwhelming amount of stuff we're expecting it to do. So ultimately, the goal there is replace everybody. Stop hiring humans. I think we can do better. So the AI bubble finally popped. It's crashing. Well, how else do we know? Because every algorithm following Sam Altman fan quotes Sam saying, yeah, I guess it's over. ChatGPT 5 came out, and honestly, AGI is not even real. That pipe dream of the text is gone. And for you and I, this is the very best part. I wrote about this in July 2024, the AI bubble burst, still one of my most popular episodes. And it showed me that people understand that the hype and the hot air is getting in the way of what? Creativity, how we use AI. See, the whole message was AI is going to what? Take your job? Oh, sign me up. And in the end, we're living this male engineered science fiction fantasy that it's just going to go all Terminator on our butts. So, do you wonder why adoption is slow worldwide? Why people are not paying for it? Well, I'm going to go a little bit into that, but more importantly, show you that this is the best thing that comes to AI because it brings it down from the ivory tower billionaires hot air pitch fest for some reason built to scare you and show you how you can work with AI as a tool, how it can actually work with you, not against you. As Maya Ackerman, my guest last week, said, how to be co-creative with it. Sound good? Well, if you signed up for that fear-driven, monopoly, moat-driven kind of thing, I'm sorry. Let me tell you a little bit about what that vision was for the world we have today. Coming out of the 70s, IBM was convinced that there would be one computer to rule them all. Sounds really silly, doesn't it? So if that vision IBM had lasted, where would we be today? All following one computer. So let's break it down to where OpenAI and all the other AI companies are coming from. They're trying to be the one, the moat, the single solution so they can control it all and make the money. And guess what? Maybe that will happen, but I don't think so because I think AI is bigger than them. I think it's bigger than billionaires because it begins with us, with people who are actually using it